everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to redeem gift card on Babylist. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser and go to the web address bar at the top and type in www.babylist.com and press enter. Once you're logged into your account, this is how your interface will look like. Click on your profile name at the upper right hand corner and this will bring up an expanded menu. Select settings from the list. Now, right at the left hand side menu, click on gift card, promos and gifts fund option. The available fund on your Babylist account will be displayed right here. Click on redeem a Babylist Store Gift Card link right beneath and enter the gift card number that is available on your Babylist gift card and click on the apply button right next to it. Soon after you do that, your balance will be automatically applied during checkout from the Babylist store. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.